Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to my cue card video. Okay, I've started this new series here in the woods, and this series is all about cue cards where I speak for 1 to 2 minutes on the most important cue cards. So this time the cue card is describe an important thing you learned. Learned is second form of the verb. It means this cue card is in the past tense. Describe an important thing you learned not at school or college. Okay. Now girls can talk about cooking. Boys can talk about learning to ride the bike, communication skills, presentation skills, and there are many more ideas. I have come up with some unique idea and I'm gonna tell you about that. Okay. Well, life is full of learning and we always learn new things and we unlearn some old things as well. And I think the real learning starts when you finish your school, college, university. You learn from your life and these are the best lessons that we learn. Today, I would like to talk about something that I learned. Basically what happened, I shifted my video editing from HD to 4K. At that time, I was using a software, but that software did not support 4K videos, even 2.7K videos. And I was really upset because I wanted to upload my videos in 4K. And then I came up with this idea of learning Adobe Premiere Pro. Well, first when I opened Adobe Premiere Pro, there were so many options and I did not understand anything. And then what happened, I went to YouTube and there I wrote the basic lessons of Adobe Premiere Pro and I attended at least 5 to 8 tutorials. These tutorials were like 5-minute tutorial, 8-minute tutorial and all that. So this is how I learned it. Well, it was very important for me because of technology shift. In the past, I made all my videos in 360, 460, 720 and all that. But because YouTube videos were going HD and then there were more videos 2.7K, 4K and even now 5K. So it had become crucial for me to shift from the normal videos to 4K videos. I felt perturbed in the beginning, okay, to be very honest. I did not feel well. Like when I opened Adobe Premiere Pro without learning anything, without knowing anything, I was totally like puzzled to see so many options and I didn't know where to start and how to upload a clip and all that. But after attending 1 to 2 hours session, I was very much comfortable and right after 2 hours I edited my first video and I felt great about that. Okay, thank you very much guys. Now this is the real life incident which I shared with you. So sometimes you can have a real life incident that can fit in your cue card. Sometimes you have to exaggerate and you need to come up with something. Okay, so the way I'm speaking, this is going to bring you minimum 7 band. Right, I got 8 band in my speaking. When I appeared in Ielts almost 10 years ago, I got 8 band. Now it can be 8.5. But anyways, the way I'm speaking on these cue cards, you can get minimum 7 band with this type of speaking. All the best guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.